Hey everyone, today we're talking pricing models and ROI for white label platforms. First up, subscription, SaaS. You pay a fixed fee, maybe $2,000 per month for a small broker or $5,000 for a mid-sized one, usually based on user licenses. Next, revenue sharing. The provider takes, say, 20% of your spreads or commissions. For a small broker with $10,000 monthly volume, that's $2,000 paid out. A mid-sized broker with $50,000 volume pays $10,000. Third, one-time setup. Plus, maintenance. You might pay $20,000 upfront for a small launch, plus $1,000 monthly maintenance. A mid-sized broker could be $50,000 upfront and $2,000 monthly. Sample ROI. If a small broker acquires 50 clients depositing $500 each, total $25,000 in 6 months, they break even around month 8. A mid-sized broker landing 200 clients at $1,000 each, total $200,000, can recoup costs in about 4 months. Bottom line, choose the model that aligns with your cash flow and growth plan.